Partition is central to the modern identity in the Indian subcontinent, and in the same way as Holocaust is the identity to the Jews. Hello everyone, today I am here Nitish Kumar to talk on the topic the India-Israel relations. India and Israel both got its independence in 1947 and 1948 from the British colonies, and Israel as a nation was formed in 1948. Since then, there was no any kind of diplomatic relationship between the two nations due to the fear of India of damaging its relationship with Arab countries, and even in the domestic politics, the politicians were afraid of losing the large Muslim vote bank. But with the time, when the realist Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao came into power in 1992, then the first embassy of New Delhi was established in the Tel Aviv. And since then, the various visits of the diplomats deepened the ties of the two nations. In fact, in 2014, when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi came into the power, the relationship between the two nations risen dramatically. Now, both countries are working on the various platforms such as the production of the military weapons such as Barak 8 missile and Falcon unmanned and aerial vehicle, which is also currently being used on the India-China border in the Ladakh area. And in fact, Israel as a partner to India has helped in its countering anti-terrorism operations and even in the 1990 war of Indo-Pakistan, Kargil war. And apart from this, both the countries are also working and cooperating. The ISRO and the Israeli space industry are cooperating in sending Israel its first satellite radar aperture in the space. So from all these kind of relationship, the one thing has very clear that both the countries, India and Israel, in the 21st century of the changing global world, need to come together to fight its common problem. The most common problem is the vulnerability of the rising extremist group in its neighborhood. India is fighting its terrorism from the Pakistan and Israel from Hezbollah and some Gaza terrorists. So one thing has very clear in the mind of two countries that they are becoming the natural allies, and the critics say that because India is going near to the Israel, India is pacifying the cause of Palestine. But friends, let you know that this is not in fact true. The truth is that India has radicalized its policy and made its policy very clear how to deal with the new emerging player in the world. So that's all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.